Hi everyone, today I'm gonna clean a car that hasn't been cleaned in a very long time. Here's the trunk, passenger door, here's the passenger seat with newspaper mark on it, cup holders, as you can see, it's pretty dirty. All the seats are light beige color, believe me. The car hasn't been cleaned in a very long time. This is a daily driver. He uses the car to go to work and back every single day and have no time to clean the car. That's why I'm here. Take a look on the back seats. It's heavily stained. This is from the driver's side. Now I'm gonna show you from the driver's side the front driver seat. Pretty nasty. All the carpets. This car needs a deep clean. Driver door. Once more the back seats. I end up finding more stains. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. These red marks are probably permanent markers, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get that out. Now let's start with the vacuum. Clean up all this dirt and dust and I don't know what on the back seats, under the seats. So I'm gonna clean the first seat here. This is the passenger side front seat, the one that have newspaper mark on it. I'm using regular APC all-purpose cleaning here just to get rid of all this gunk that's stuck on the seat. There's more that the camera can show. I'm gonna clean just half of the seat so you can have a very good before and after. That's good halfway here. After that, I'm gonna come with leather cleaning, leather conditioner to make sure the seats are in a good shape. This is the car after I clean. I haven't put the leather conditioner yet, but the car is pretty clean. This is the only thing left to do right now. All the seats are clean, the carpets, floor mat, the door jambs. That's the back seat. As you can see, the red markers didn't come out. I talked to the owner about that and he said it's okay. That's the passenger front door. This is the seat that have the newspaper mark on it.